This video we will see the product review of Redmi A5 smartphone. The Redmi A5 is an entry-level smartphone from Xiaomi's Redmi A series. This smartphone is launched in India on April 15, 2025. This smartphone is designed for users looking for big display, long battery life, and basic smartphone features at a low price. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone comes with 6.88-inch HD plus IPS LCD screen with 120 Hz refresh rate and 600 nits brightness, making scrolling and video smoother. This smartphone is powered by Unisoc T7250 octa-core processor with up to 4 GB RAM, and this smartphone able to handle everyday apps and tasks. This smartphone comes with 5200 mAh battery and supports 15-volt fast charging. So you can use it all day and charge faster. This smartphone comes with Android 15 Go Edition operating system optimized for lighter hardware. This smartphone comes with AI dual camera, which includes 32 MP main rear camera and a secondary lens plus 8 MP front camera for selfies. This smartphone comes with 3 GB RAM plus 64 GB internal storage or 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB internal storage. And this smartphone is expandable up to 2 terabyte. Here you can see the dimension of this smartphone. Weight is 193 grams, and this smartphone has IP52 dust or splash resistance. This smartphone includes 3.5 mm headphone jack, FM radio, stereo speakers, expandable storage up to 2 terabyte via micro SD card. This smartphone support connectivity like dual SIM, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C. This smartphone has a side fingerprint sensor and face unlock, which offers fast biometric security. What are the advantages of Redmi A5? Large and smooth display with 120 Hz refresh rate, which is great for reading and watching media. Long battery life, thanks to 5200 mAh battery and fast charging. Expandable storage up to 2 terabyte and a headphone jack, which is rare in this range. Handy biometric options with fingerprint and face unlock. Splash resistance adds reliability. What are the limitations to consider related to this phone? Low resolution display, 720 pixel, not as sharp as more expensive phones. Basic performance, Unisoc T7250 processor is fine for light use, but slower for heavy apps or games. No 5G support, only works on 4G networks. Go edition of Android lacks some features of full Android. Camera performance is average, best in good lighting and not ideal for night photos. What are the customers' feedback? Users price the smooth 120Hz screen and big battery for everyday use. Many users appreciate the long-lasting battery for daily use. Many value the storage expansion up to 2 terabyte. The side fingerprint and face unlock are seen as convenient features. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 6,499 rupees to 7,499 rupees based on RAM and internal storage configuration. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $79 to $100 based on RAM and internal storage configurations.